Hello, I'm Rich Lucas with SI Yachts. We're here at the Viking factory in New Gretna, New Jersey. What we're going to do today is we're going to take a tour, two boats that we presently have in build, one being a 55 Valhalla and a 64-foot Viking convertible. I think you're really going to enjoy this. I'm standing in front of hull number 55-130, which is the 30th 55 built to date. This is being built for one of our customers out in Montauk. It has a new Panoramic blue hull color, which, as you can see, just came out beautiful. We're in the cockpit of the 55 Valhalla. A couple nice features that this client decided to go with is the white powder coating, which I think looks great against the new Panoramic blue hull color, which we did on the hard top, just to give it a little more splash. You're going to notice when we walk around that this has the standard U-shaped seating in the back, and then there will be the front row seating here. We're in the cabin of the 55. Great feature about the 55 is you have a master stateroom, and as you go aft, you have two separate bunks, and then the workroom in the back. Full working galley, and eventually here there will be a dinette. Well, we're outside building 5. If you look behind me, you're going to see a beautiful 64-foot Viking that is currently being built for one of our customers. The boat's home is going to be in Montauk, New York. The nice thing is the customer put a lot of custom features into this boat. As you can see, beautiful black hull, really shows off the Viking shear line. If you take a look at the hull, you can see why the 64 is so soft of a riding boat. Just a great entry on the boat. Some of the big options that he did go with, being an avid fisherman, is the Omni sonar. You'll see beautiful Palm Beach tower and an AME electronics package. When we go inside the boat, you're going to see a lot of personal touches that the owner put into the boat to really show it's his and different than every other Viking that's out there. I'm in the galley of the 64. You'll see the client went with very unique countertops, the black and white theme, obviously, black boat. I think it came out really, really sharp. You know, still a work in progress, you know, some boards being put on here, and when we go down the companionway, 4 stateroom, 4-head layout, tremendous amount of room. Let's go take a look. We're in the master of the 64. One thing you'll notice is great walk-around bed, 2 large closets, are his and hers, and with this customer doing a lot of custom features, you'll notice his very original wallpaper. Never saw it on a boat before. He put it in every stateroom. It goes great with the theme of the boat with the black hull. Thank you for joining us on a tour of the Viking factory. If we can help you in any way, please call SI Yachts. Thank you.